हमारी कंडीशनिंग नहीं हुई है, हमारी कंडीशनिंग नहीं हुई है, हमारे पास वोकैबुलरी तो दूर की चीजें हमें पता ही नहीं है कि अच्छा इंसान कैसे बनना है. Like, it's just so easy. It's so easy. It's the easiest thing to do. If we can just let everyone's life be just life, and then they will write about like nature and love, and not about how sad their life is. Just letting people live the way they want to live. उसी में खत्म हो जाती है और बहुत आसान चीज है.
We have seen you wear a lot of saris on TV. Right? We've mostly seen you wear saris on TV. So we want to know, what is your sari journey? How did your sari journey start?
So, like you mentioned, I grew up in Calcutta. So, because I'm very ingrained in Bengali culture, the first sari experiences, we used to always wear sari for Saraswati Puja.
Right.
It was then Teachers' Day.
हाँ.
और फिर जब काम पे आए, and my mother used to always wear sarees. अब वो सलवार कमीज पहनने लगी, but पहले वो सिर्फ साड़ी पहनती थी. And of course, I wanted to be like my mother. And once I started working, I started learning how to tie a sari because I used to wear sari. I still wear a sari on sugar company right now. तो मुझे साड़ी पहनना बहुत पसंद है. तो अब तो मतलब because I'm so busy, I don't do it in the morning or whatever. There was a time where I would go to show wearing a sari.
Oh wow.
Because मुझे साड़ी पहनना इतना पसंद है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मतलब अगर मुझे सजना होता है तो साड़ी is my first option always.
And I personally feel like nothing, no other garment complements your body and makes you feel like a sari.
And I can do everything in a sari. I can run around and everything. I'm very comfortable in a sari. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. I don't think it's an effort to wear it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And what I feel is, because sari is just a piece of fabric, and you have the freedom of draping it however you want, and it does not come with any rules. So that is the beauty of it, and that is why I always associate the sari with pride also, because I'm like, it has no rules. You can wear it. So now I've worn it like a dhoti. Nobody will say it is a sari. For me, it is a sari, but for you, it might be a dhoti. So you can perceive it however you want to. You can write your story however you want to with a piece of sari, which is why I find it extreme.
Oh God, that's beautiful.
So this pride, we are talking about self-love. We are talking about self-discovery. We are talking about embracing ourselves and living our version of ourselves in pride, with pride. So I want to ask you, what does pride mean to you?
Pride.
What do you take pride in?
I try. Pride is बहुत मुश्किल से आता है again because of conditioning, but I do take pride in the fact that I'm very open. I make an effort. Sometimes it really does take to like understand. Yeah, अच्छा ये conditioning इस वजह से ये ऐसे बोल रहे हैं. I try my best. I really try nowadays to make people understand. मतलब understanding people where they're coming from and then telling them what I feel and why I think what they think is probably not right and just binding them into some thoughts that are like अब नहीं है जगह उनकी और वक्त उनका उनको है जाने दो. So I think I take pride in being open. Being open.
Yeah. I think that is what pride is all about. Being open to change and being open to yourself more than anything. And being open to everything that you're feeling. No matter who says it might be good, bad, whatever, but just being open to yourself and feeling everything that you're feeling fully, I think that is great. Right? Beautiful. Oh yeah. So I also want to ask about, because you've been in the industry for so long, how do you think the industry is open to and accepting of queer people and people from the LGBTQI plus community? And also, we do not see too many roles being written to these people, or also many times when it is written to them, it's not performed by them. So, what do you think about this? Why, and yeah, your thoughts on it?
Uh, I, पहली बात तो मुझे ये लगता है कि जब वो लिखे जाते हैं इट इज नॉट रिप्रेजेंटेड फ्रॉम द सेम कम्युनिटी is see initially there were no female actors, right?
Yeah.
Men would wear wigs
Yeah,
and
yeah.
because
Yeah.
we were not allowed to.
Correct.
Somebody fought for that right.
Mm.
That's why I get to do the job to do, right?
Mm.
Hundreds of years ago, somebody said that well, there are female parts and there will be women playing these parts. और उस वक्त भी मेरे ख्याल से I don't know, I haven't read about it. उस वक्त भी ये conversation रहा होगा
Correct.
कि what about that man that is playing the female part? उसकी नौकरी तो चली गई. But वो अगर एक्टर है उसके लिए भी नौकरी होगी और लड़की के लिए भी नौकरी होगी उसी हिसाब से आई थिंक व्हेन देयर इज अ क्वेयर कैरेक्टर हैज टू बी आई थिंक एसेंशियली कास्ट फ्रॉम द क्वेयर कम्युनिटी बट सैडली नहीं है मतलब so many years I have worked for 17 years I have not worked with queer representation, whether it's in front of camera or behind camera. And I'm talking about the acting space. I had it. इसको तो एक्टिव नहीं बदलने की जरूरत है क्योंकि उतनी कहानी मतलब लेटर नो एक तो बहुत कम है लाइक यू सेड दैट representation is only very less और now it is happening but there are very few.
Very few.
We saw Trinetra acting.
Correct. Yes, that's beautiful.
And but you have when there are queer people creating and representation matters and just like I said when I write I always end my queer stories into a happy ending but there's a lot of life beyond that right and when writing भी कोई होगा जिनकी पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस होगी तो वो राइटिंग भी अलग होगी और वो एक्टिंग अलग होगी यार मैं कैसे नहीं बोलूँ and I've also somebody asked me but not asked me but this conversation was happening when they were saying so you're saying that he wouldn't act we cast a good non-queer good actor but non-queer person for a queer part instead of casting a lesser probably not that good an actor but queer person for the same part. I was like, wouldn't you do the same thing for a girl boy?
Yeah. Yeah.
But the conversation gets over there. आपको जब queer part के लिए आप acting prowess देख रहे हो girl boy के लिए नहीं देख रहे हो मतलब आप और opportunities आएंगी तो और लोग train करेंगे.
Absolutely.
And I remember I think last year there was this workshop that was only for queer people last year or last year. I think Tess Joseph organized it and she was conducting a workshop and that was just one workshop I've seen and then of course there was Casey and David.
Obviously.
But how we now like giving more space to women and everything and the same has to be extended to the queer community. But मैं जो I have to say that there has to be a lot more within stories also and within representation.
Do you see things changing and
I do see things changing. I because I was saying what Trinetra again performed so
yes
but मेरे ख्याल से अब आएगा क्योंकि अगर क्रिएशन स्पेस में ज्यादा रिप्रेजेंटेशन होगा तो विजुअल स्पेस में भी आएगा. I see it a lot in young adult literature, like whether it's American or British literature. I see a lot more representation. You have shows like Sex Education where there's space for everyone. और जैसे बोले it's not about normalizing. Everybody is existing in their own reality.
correct.
But again, it's a fiction.
Yeah. Do you think Indian television or Indian cinema will reach there anytime soon, or do we have a long journey?
We have a
long journey.
We have a long journey.
Yeah.
We have a long journey. But I'm so sorry. It's a lot.
But I think when people like you talk about it and when it becomes an everyday conversation is when things become normal. And I think you talking about these things creates a huge pathway.
So
Yeah, it absolutely does. Like my mother, of course, would see you as a Pragya from Kumbhagya, right? Now, if Pragya is coming and telling you that, listen, this world exists, I am an ally to this world, I support them, my mother will be forced to think.
Oh,
You know, she'll be like, wait, Pragya is saying this.
I hope
You
so.
know, it creates that change, which is why I'm super proud and super happy to have you as an ally, to have you as a part of the community. It is amazing. And I wish and hope that you keep doing all of these things and more, and we get to see much more from you. Of course, we will get to hear much more stories from you, and I hope you impact many more lives and you stay with us as a part of the community.
Thank you for letting me do this.
Of course,
Thank
of
you.
course. Thank you so much. It was wonderful talking to you, Shruti,
Lovely.
meeting you,
Loved
and
it.
thank you so much for coming today. And we love you all too. Keep showing us a lot of love and happy Pride.
Happy Pride.
Keep celebrating yourself, keep embracing yourself, and live life the way you want to live. Bye bye.
Bye.